This is an old rusty cast iron gear. I gave it a wire wheel job and a primer job. Let's see what we can do with it. I've got an idea for a project for it, but we need to get it cleaned up first. A couple strips of aluminum here. Trying to stay in the upper third of the contact area there. I've changed our location of where I set the shaper up. A little bit better lighting over here, so hopefully that'll help you guys see. All right, here we go. We're going to just do a cleanup. I'm going to start with 10 thou, see if it'll clean up. I'm going to set up again. We'll take a little bit deeper cut. Alright, I'm taking an extra 5, so it should be around a 15 thousandths depth cut. I'll bring you guys back when we catch up to the old cut there. Still some porosity in there, but I think I'm just going to call that good. Time to flip it over. I vacuumed and wiped the ways down before moving the table back. Cast iron's nasty stuff. So we lost most of our part number. I was hoping that would stay, but and there's still some porosity. This thing was really rusty. Okay, we're gonna flip it like that. All right, we're gonna start with 15 thou. We don't have a real good clamp on that gear, so we don't want to take too much. Might fly out of the vise. Big old hole right in here, the low spot. Didn't even touch these over here, and you can see the big hole here. Yeah, I think this was just a cast gear. I don't think the teeth were cut. I don't know what kind of machine it was out of, but something crude, obviously. All right, we're gonna take another 20 and just see how it looks. Well, it's still a crusty old gear, but at least it's flat on two sides, except for that hole. Well, there it is. It's my idea for a TIG torch holder with a little bit of class. All right, thanks guys.